Welcome to this OpenEye video FAQ. Today we will be discussing the Search in Live function in Command Station. There's lots of good information to cover, so let's get started. Let's review the objectives for today's overview. We will start by reviewing how to access the Search in Live function. Next, we will explain how you can play back the video in the current or a new tab, followed by a discussion on general use cases, and finally, we will provide a live demonstration of the Search in Live feature. Command Station now allows for searching within the live viewing pane. This tool helps when you encounter one of those "did I just see what I thought I saw" moments. If you hover your mouse in the lower portion of the screen as shown, a play button will appear. You can then select that play button to enter search within Live. You will then be presented a split screen as shown. The live stream will remain in the main window. You will also be able to view the recorded video. You can watch it in this window or open full screen in the current or a new tab. The use case here is easy. Perhaps you are watching live video and something catches your eye. You can easily engage Search in Live and then review the recording of what you just witnessed live. We'll demonstrate this during the live portion of the presentation. Now that we've discussed how to utilize Search in Live feature, let's navigate the feature as a live portion to the presentation. All right, so let me now jump to live. All right, and let me take a watch here. Hey, was that a forklift that I just saw go around the corner? Let's show this new feature called Search in Live. Lower left, there's a play button. Hover there, it'll appear. When you select it, it's going to bring up playback. All right, live playback. Looky there. There's the guy on a forklift that I thought we just saw when we brought that page up. This feature is fantastic. All right, its use case is very simple. Did I just see what I thought I saw? If you think that's the case, you can literally jump right to this Search in Live, okay? You can also go ahead, and this can be opened up in a new tab, all right? So I could bring the playback up in a different screen, all right? And that'll populate itself. Now I've got it here, and I can take a look at it, okay? The other thing I can do is I can actually go ahead and say, open it in the current tab, and it'll take over here. But that is really a fantastic feature in that I thought I saw something, and you can very quickly confirm you saw it while still maintaining your live viewing. All right? When you're monitoring things or just checking in, that happens a lot. Did I just see that? Well, now you can confirm it, continue to watch things play out. This concludes this video FAQ. If you have questions, please contact training@openeye.net. Join us again for more interesting videos from OpenEye, the cloud video platform.